Okay, it's leg day, and I'm going back to what I like to call instinctive training. Chris just asked me, what are we going to start with today? And I didn't answer him because I don't know. We're going to warm up, listen to the body, see what the body feels like. Feels flexible, doesn't feel strong, doesn't feel any pain. Feels very flexible now. So we'll probably start with some Jefferson squats, Chris. Probably go from Jefferson squat, and I'll have a brainstorm from there. Sometimes it does not hurt to train like that. Don't have a plan. Do a warm up, stretch, get into it. Muscle will talk to you. Just gotta listen to it. Close your eyes, tune out the room, except for me right now. And yeah, I think Jefferson squat's a great idea. I think we're gonna go plan B. I like plan B. Okay, on your Jefferson squat, you wanna have the center of the bar, you wanna have this foot out here. You wanna drop this foot, this distance here, the distance here should be pretty damn equal. Okay, and the goal on this is to, if you were to draw a straight line through there and you were to draw a straight line through here, those lines would meet at a point, and the measurement from here to here and here to here on those lines needs to be the same. Give it a little trial, see how that feels. Get this loosened up. You're gonna bend over and pick up the bar naturally. One hand under, one hand over in the back. You are going to spread your knees out wide, and you're going to come straight down. Do not try to go down all the way to the floor. Do not use too much weight. Keep that barbell straight. Don't let it get in an angle like this or like this. You're pushing your knees out. Out. Don't let them bow in. That's what a lot of people try to do. That will pull you forward. If you push the legs out, drop the hips down, tighten the glutes at the top, just as tight as you can. Boom, right there. Eventually work your way down lower. Keep that back straight. That's the kind of discussion that people want to see, unfortunately.
The old guy forgot where his hands go.
Yeah, I guess they think this is more of a sitcom than a real routine, so let's get to work.
Well, only till they try it.
Hey, I haven't had a good time in a gym in a long time.
Hey, I'm right here.
Okay.
Right here.
That fixed the problem, you son of a bitch.
Oh no. Well, luckily there was a kinesiologist in the room.
Shut up, Chris. Chris pointed out on my admitted weak side that both of my hands were turned like the back one is, and that was throwing my balance off. You have to have the alternate grip on the other side. Palms up.
What is it that you're exactly doing with this contraption, Jim?
We're gonna do a belted squat. I have a belt and I'm gonna do a squat. That's why they call it that. It's its name. If your gym does not have a setup or a machine that does this for you that's even better, join a real gym. These things are great. You drop hips down, you squeeze back up, but you do not in any way, shape, or form stand with your toes straight in front of you, and you do not lean forward, you lean back to where you're balancing your body with the weights in the band and in complete control of the motion. Don't ever lock up at the top.
We're pushing off our heels.
It's rotating. It's on the balls of the feet now, and it's not really off the heels. It's more off the balls and pushing backwards. and holding the balance. So you're using the whole foot, but if you're the least bit sloppy, you'll fall over backwards. Done. Okay. So we've graduated to one of the big boy bands around the knees instead of our warm-up band. Putting all my trust and faith in these handles that they're going to hold me. They're not going anywhere. Told Chris during his set, your butt needs to bottom out somewhere on that dumbbell. You don't go past it. You need to feel it touch you. And spots mama said nothing should touch you in. I'm gonna need to edit that. There's one watcher in particular that's gonna freak out if you two, but one of them is Bridget.
Sorry, Bridget. No TRX bands? Gotta up the difficulty, huh? Hurts so good. Stand up. That's the ending.
Eventually. Okay, here we go. And brain dead after all that. So we're gonna use a couple bands. We're gonna use the one above the knee again. Again. And again. We're gonna use one down here. This is my clients don't like their leg routines. They make me put them on days where they don't have to do anything for a while. This is their least favorite exercise. And they usually get to do it like about a half hour ago. It's all about power and driving. It's one of the very few I want you to lock up at the top. Throw that rear end back against the back wall. Stand up straight. So you can't do it anymore, then you're done. So here's how this whole YouTube video thing works. I do the workout, Chris films the workout, I produce the video, put it on air onto YouTube, you watch the video, and then I need you to like and subscribe. Like and subscribe. Why do we want you to do that? And same thing with leaving a comment at the bottom. The reason we at YouTube and those that make the videos want you to do that is YouTube checks our analytics and the algorithms. They monitor every one of these videos and then they decide whether they're worthy of promoting and advancing to where more and more viewers, which leads to more and more subscribers, get to watch these videos, or whether it's just a handful of people. So all of that is controlled by you guys with your likes, your subscribes, and your comments down at the bottom. The more of those that you have on a consistent basis, the more YouTube promotes your work, and the more work I can do. Because as you know, there's no such thing as staying the same. We're all either striving to make ourselves better, or we're allowing ourselves to get worse. So now that you know the inside skinny on how that works, I hope you like and subscribe to the video. Take some of this stuff into the gym, take it into your life, Do these exercises, they are killer. I have clients that have a hard time. Matter of fact, I had to have a special handrail put in because there's a couple of them that can't make it up the stairs after these leg workouts. Just because an old man's teaching them to you doesn't mean they're not any good. So give them a shot. I hope you like it. Love you all for following me on my journey here. It's very personal and it means a lot to me that you are still watching and making some comments, letting me know how these videos are working for you, all right? That being said, please cue my title screen. I gotta get out of here.